Be sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on that notification bell and hit the like button.
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is this Galactic princess set and I love it. But first, Ninja Squad shout out goes to, well, we have two beautiful ladies, Marilyn and also Valerie. So thank you so much guys for commenting, and if you want the chance to be featured in my next video, then definitely leave a comment down below because I select them completely at random. In today's video, I will be using Mint Ninja, I'll be using Beyonce, I'll also be topping that with Blizzard White. Can you tell that just literally waited for way too long? I'm also using the holographic lens flare and rainbow lights, which is one of my favourite glitters. I absolutely love it. I'm also going to use the new gold Galactic nail art stickers which launch on the 16th of November, and I'll be using super gloss for that super glossy high shine. So I've already gone ahead and prepped my practice hand with the flexi tips for the nail beds and the easy tips, and I've laid down my clear acrylic base. So I'm going to come in with my first nail and I'm starting by applying Mint Ninja at the free edge. I had a little bit of a bit or something in there. I think it was a bit of glitter, and honestly, it just bugs me so much when that happens. Oh, I was like, damn. And then it was on the end and I was like, damn. I did manage to get it out in the end. But yeah, I'm just blending my bead down the tip of the nail and then up the nail as well, because I'm going to be coming in with a glitter ombre. I want that to be flush so that that product blends over the top nice and evenly. So once I've applied Mint Ninja, I'm coming in with Beyonce, which is this gorgeous gold supercharged holographic glitter acrylic. And I'm applying it at the cuticle, and as you can see, I'm taking care in making sure that that is nice and even and nice and flush. You want to do that before you start blending that down the nail, because that is what is most important, to get that bit absolutely bob on before even concentrating on the rest of the nail. So once the cuticle area is nice and neat and tidy, we can then come in and blend down that product. Once I've finished doing that, I'm coming in with rainbow lights, and it's such a gorgeous, subtle, but beautiful colour. I absolutely love rainbow lights as a glitter. It tops any kind of colour off, any combination. It just looks absolutely stunning. Now, whilst this product is still wet, I'm just using the tip of my brush with some monomer on and picking up some little pieces of the silver lens flare and placing them randomly on the nail. Now, you wouldn't usually think to put silver and gold together, but I was like, you know what? I am friggin' doing it. And I don't even care. And honestly, the outcome was freaking insane. Like, I would wear a full set of that. I think it looks absolutely stunning. Anyway, moving on to the next nail, I'm coming in with Mint Ninja, and I'm just starting by applying that over the free edge of the nail. I place a medium to large bead right near the edge, blend that down, and then I'm coming in with a second bead, blending that over the first one, and then I'm coming in with my cuticle bead, but instead of Mint Ninja, I'm going to be applying Pure Pink. Pure Pink is one of our new cover powders, and she is absolutely stunning. It does look different in different lighting, so sometimes it might look pinker than it is, or sometimes it might look paler than it is. It's a really funny colour to kind of try and capture, but it is definitely more on that kind of bubblegum pink side. So yeah, I love Pure Pink. It's one of my favourites, especially for doing ombres. It just melts into those colours. If you have Toasted Rose, it's kind of like that with the blending and doing the ombre. It just makes it super effortless and it blends beautifully. So now that I'm happy with my ombre, it looks cute as fuck. I nearly swore then, but I'm not going to do it. It looks cute. I'm moving on to the next nail, and I'm going to go ahead and do a beautiful marble. Now this combo as a marble was absolutely stunning. So I started off with the cuticle area, and I'm just placing all of the colours that I'll be using, blending that around and making sure that that cuticle's nice and neat. And then once I'm happy with that, I can come in with my complete nail of marbling. So I'm applying those colours, making sure that they are nice and wet. Once I'm happy and I've got them all on the nail, I come in with the tip of my brush and just swirl around. Now, if you are new to marbling, you want to try and maybe do this with an old brush or a brush that you're not using, because it can be easy to get that product between those bristles, and then when you come to clean it, you think you've got everything out, but you definitely didn't. And then the next time you come to use it, it is rock solid. So yeah, it's definitely worth using an older brush if you're not just that confident, just in case you do ruin them, because they are expensive, and it can become expensive if you're buying them all the time. I mean, your brushes should last quite a long time if you look after them and use them correctly. So I'm just applying those products again at the free edge and blending and marbling around. You don't want to swirl that product too much, because then it's just going to blend into one colour, which we don't want. We want to keep those distinguished colours. We want it to look cute, and we want to be able to see every shade that we've used like throughout that nail. Anyway, moving on to the next nail, I'm going to go ahead and apply Mint Ninja to the cuticle to start with, patting side to side and tucking that product in, making sure to seal the cuticle area. I'm then going to blend that product down. I just want to let you guys know as well that I will have a Christmas workshop coming up. It is an online course, and I'm going to be covering some beautiful Christmas designs. So if you want to check it out, then definitely do that. It will be for those that are qualified and more advanced. So that just means that you already know how to handle acrylic products and already know how to apply nails. Because if you don't, then I'm not teaching the basics. So you know, you might struggle. Of course, you are free to still try it if you want to. I'm not saying don't, because I know that some people's kind of levels, you know, you can jump straight into something and do it bang on the first time. But yeah, I'm excited for that to come out. I'm working on it now, and it should be ready within the next couple of weeks. So I've come in with Beyonce at the free edge and blended it over Mint Ninja, and then I've come in with Rainbow Lights and popped that over the top, and then I'm layering on top of that lens flares. Unfortunately, I didn't film that process, but luckily we already saw that on the other nail. Now, these new Galaxy, you know, gold stickers, I am in love with them. They are absolutely adorable and so easy, like seriously, super easy and cute, like, oh, just cute as heck. Anyway, I'm applying those randomly to the nails. It took me a minute to kind of figure out where I wanted to put them, but I was like, well, I don't want to put them on the nails where I've already got those lens flares, so let's just focus on the two middle nails. So that is what I did, and I just placed them randomly where I thought would look nice, and just made sure that I pressed them down nice and firmly, that all of the area of that sticker was laying on the nail. Because if you haven't got it all kind of like flushed down to the nail, when you come to encapsulate in the clear acrylic, you'll kind of see a border of that sticker where it is sitting, you know, on the nail, and then it kind of looks like you've just stuck a sticker on the nail. But here we're trying to fake that we've, you know, hand painted and done all this intricate design work, but we've done it faster and it looks cute. So I thought they were fun. They will be available on the 16th of November at 12 p.m. UK time, so dinner time. Get yourself some snacks, fill your baskets, get ready, because Glitter Planet launch day is coming and I'm so excited. Okay, I'm coming in with Nail Make Crystal Clear Acrylic, and I'm just going to go ahead and encapsulate all of these nails. I think I do only show a couple of the nails being encapsulated because I guess you don't want to sit through all of that. But yeah, I'm going to go and cap, and then I'm going to file and buff, and then we'll be back to add some top coat. Okay guys, so now I've finished encapsulating, I have filed and buffed. I'm coming in with Nailmate Super Gloss and I'm going to go ahead and apply a nice coat to all of the nails and then cure in the Nailmate lamp for a full 60 seconds, and then I'm going to share the results with you guys, and boy Jesus, they are beautiful. I love this set. Okay guys, here is the final result. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I loved putting this set together. I think it turned out so pretty and just really cute and elegant and delicate. I love it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and as always, remember that you are bomb.com lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye!